Okay, we need to now complete the receipt itself. So when the customer finish his or her purchase, they can automatically get a receipt. We don't need to ask for it. So, but before that, let me just add 2 extra components for the date and time of purchase. So right here, let me enter one here. Let's see where that is. Here, right up there. And we also need another one. Maybe just make a duplicate of this. Alright, so we have those, and let's give them both a name. Maybe this would be football, and we'll call that LBL dates, and the other one, select this and just call that LBL time. Alright, now let's get a timer. We need a timer to get that date sorted. Right there, double click on timer and you should see a timer right underneath here. Then we now double click on our form and enter the following. Okay, to get the timer working, I've moved this line of code into timer itself. Why? I will then delete that same line of code from the form load. Okay, that line of code is out of here. It used to be here before, but I move it into timer.start into the timer, and I only left timer here. So if I run the program now, you see what you see. That's what you guys will see. That's the timer there, and that's the date. So we now move both. Let's position them properly. Let's move this one, move it down. Okay, this is how both the timer and the date looks. So the next thing is just for us to take care of this. So let's do that now. Okay, let me show you guys the lines of code for the receipt which I've just completed. I'll show you all of the code anyway, from here down. That the calculating code. And right here we have the receipt. Let's take it up. That's the receipt from here down here. Have a good look at it if you want to embed receipt on your program as well. There we go, from here up here. Okay, so if I run it now, and below, let me show you something below. These are the error handlers, which I think that was the very first line of code we took care of. So that is those are the error handlers up to here. So let's run it again and see. Enter some value in there. Let's get ourselves a drink and just open up the receipt there. Okay, and you can just print this out. I need to get a print function in there. But one thing about this receipt is you can save it. Let's say we save it as, let's say, food. Say you can get rid of it and still go back and just look for food. There we go. Just click on it, and that's your receipt there. Okay, so you don't lost it. You can always save it for future reference. Now the other thing is, we might as well just add a print device there. So let's do that now. The first thing I would like to do is to add print device here, maybe move it in here. Okay, let's add a button first. Add a button there, and okay, in here select the property of this very button, and let's look for an image that is for print. Okay, print, there we go, and click on open, and open it there. Yeah, there, that's it. So we use that to do the printing, to carry out the printing. And we also need some object here, print object. So let's go to the toolbar, scroll right down. We need document print, and let's add print preview dialog as well. Yeah, we need those two. Those two objects. Okay, all we have to do now is double click on this print and enter as follows. Okay, those are the lines of code for the print. Then we now need to also enter just one single line of code here for the print document. Okay, so what will happen is, if I come in here, let's run the whole program again. So we have different method now. We can just print out, we can do what we like, save it, as you guys saw earlier. Alright, so that's here. As you know, we can save. Okay, we can just save it as whatever, and we can clear, we can reopen it there. We can even print it out right here. Okay, we need to check whatever that is. I'll check that now. Okay, let's print. Click on print preview, and there. Okay, so let's close that. So if you really want to print, just click on the print button there, that's fine. Okay, let's just see what happened here. We have that in subtotal, total, and so on. So let's go into where the receipt is. Let's check that out. Right here we have that in subtotal. Okay, that wasn't an error. Okay, that wasn't an error, and it's been taken care of. So if we click on this there, so like I said earlier on, you can click to print, and you see the print preview right there. So everything is now working as expected. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this program. Thanks and bye for now.